Hey there, adventure seekers! Today, we're counting down the top 5 best backpacking chairs that combine portability, comfort, and durability to keep you sitting pretty in the great outdoors. Whether you're setting up camp after a long hike or just soaking in the views on a trail, having a reliable backpacking chair can make all the difference. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, we have the Kijaro Dual Lock Camping Chair. We originally came in second place, and after a second round of testing by T+L outdoor gear editor Taylor Fox, we moved this chair up to the top spot overall. Unlike smaller camp chairs, the Kijaro Dual Lock folding chair locks into position to ensure it never collapses on you, which was the main reason why the Fox paid off when it went up against the winners from our first test. The fully upright chair is easy to set up, and once you find the lock, it's easy to fold and store in the included carry bag. Although the bag only has one strap, you can't carry it as a backpack. At 9 pounds, it's a bit heavier than some competitors, but the trade-off provides one of the most stable seating surfaces available, with plenty of armrest support and wide, cushioned toes to provide a secure grip on a variety of mixed terrain. The breathable mesh ripstop poly on the back will stand up to serious abuse, and the Kijaro is also packed with plenty of extras, including 2 cup holders, a zip pocket, and a mesh pocket. Coming in at number 4 is the ALPS Mountaineering Getaway Chair. We tested the ALPS Mountaineering Getaway Chair twice, and it proved to be easy to both set up. Just pull it out of the bag and spread the armrests until the legs fully extend, and to quickly store in the included carrying bag. It also has 2 carrying straps on the stuff sack, so it can actually be worn as a backpack, which is amazing, Fox says. The lightness comes, in part, from the shorter than average legs, which increase the chair's versatility and make it suitable for a campsite, concert, or festival, though opinions varied on whether our team members liked sitting so low to the ground. Some liked how the seat configured their knees slightly up and reduced pressure on their back, while others found it awkwardly low. We also found that you don't have to sacrifice durability for lightness. The frame is constructed from durable, powder-coated steel. Large pads under each chair leg helps keep the chair stable in loose dirt, uneven grass, and sand. Nylon mesh backing at the seat improves breathability and will dry quickly if it gets caught in a rainstorm. It also comes with a beverage holder and a small cooler measuring 2.5 x 8 x 8 inches integrated into the left arm, which we use to keep our smartphone, wallet, and keys out of the sun, though it has enough space to accommodate a small ice pack and 2 cans of your preferred beverage. At number 3, we have the LENCE camping chairs, with a chair cover constructed of 900D Oxford ripstop ballistic nylon outfitted with double seams and an aircraft-grade aluminum frame. The LENCE camping chair's compact backpacking chair is incredibly strong and very lightweight. Newly designed leg tips work with a wider, square-shaped base frame to provide stability in a variety of conditions. And though the frame architecture looks a bit complicated, we found the setup to be intuitive and fast. We also loved how many straps line the carrying case, including nylon webbing with multiple loops so you can attach it to a carabiner or weave it through a backpack's straps. When sitting in the chair, we found that the frame flexes a bit, and the fabric has some give, which makes the chair comfortable with an almost cushion-like sitting experience. Otherwise, this chair keeps things simple, with 2 small Velcro pockets on the arms and 2 slits on either side to add breathability. It is, however, kind of a pain to pack it back into the compact carrying case. You have to collapse the frame, and then roll the chair around the poles before sliding everything inside. The compact size a feature that impressed us during 2 rounds of lab tests, and in the real world, and 2-pound weight makes it worth it if you're going on a backpacking trip with limited carrying space. Number 2 on our list is the LivingXL 500lb. Capacity heavy-duty portable chair, designed to handle up to 500 pounds. The LivingXL Capacity Heavy-Duty Portable Chair comes with a 22mm tubed frame that integrates a center frame support and 600 denier, fully padded, polyester seat to provide one of the most stable chairs available. Weighing 10 pounds, it's not a chair you'd want to carry on long hauls, but for car camping it's fantastic. And it includes a carrying case with a shoulder strap to make transport easier. We found it to be one of the most durable and comfortable chairs in our tests, and little details like 2 cup holders and a side pocket round out the features. And setup was a breeze. Take out the chair and simply pull it open. It also fits nicely in the carrying case, with no fuddling to get the chair back into the bag. You can attach a shade canopy to the back for sun protection, sold separately. And taking the top spot at number 1 is the GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker Chair. Rather than using a traditional curved design, the GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker Chair employs 2 patented spring-loaded shocks to create a rocking action, which drastically improves the chair's stability on all sorts of variable terrain. We even tested it on a steep hill and were able to sit comfortably without issue. Setting the chair up was easy, and it has a closure strap to keep things secured when you collapse the chair. Interestingly, it doesn't come with a carrying bag, but a carrying strap on the chair makes hauling it short distances pretty easy. Weighing in at 10 pounds, it's a bit heavier than most camping chairs, but that's the trade-off you have to endure to get the comfort of using a rocking chair, as opposed to one with 4 fixed legs. We found that the rocking motion proved reliable while sitting on grass and other outdoor surfaces, and that it provided a lot of comfort for long periods of sitting. And we also loved that it includes a phone case and an oversized cup holder generous enough to hold taller bottles. And there you have it, the top 5 best backpacking chairs to take on your next adventure. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews. Happy trails!